In today's session, I'm going to be telling you how to stay humble when you're building your business. But before we get into it, all right, why do we need to stay humble when you're building your business? Without further ado, let's play the theme song.
Hi, my name is Ed J.C. Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms.
So in essence, you got to stay humble. Why stay humble? First of all, because especially as you're growing, right, the market changes, the market adapts. Maybe you're just starting out. Maybe you're someone watching this and you're just getting your stuff out there, right? What happens is more often than not is that, we need that confidence. We need that certainty, and that's a good thing, right? That's for sure. You need to believe in yourself and all of that jazz, right? I'm into that. But the problem is that you have to understand this if you want to become a business owner, right? You have to understand that the market evolves, right? You have to move with the market, right? And the more humble you stay, the more grounded you stay, the more open you are to new ideas. The problem is that a lot of people get too stuck on just one idea, all right? And so the greats, Blockbuster, all right? Remember that as a great business. All right, they're bankrupt based on they didn't stay humble, grounded. They didn't listen to the market. They didn't stay relevant to what the market was actually saying. They were saying things like, "I don't believe that people would actually use, a phone to watch video." I mean, how insane is that? I think about imagine the sorts of meetings that were happening in Blockbuster, and they were saying, Netflix. Who the hell are Netflix? I mean, no one's gonna get on board that that service, right? No one's gonna get on board on that. And so, they had an opportunity, maybe you know the story, at the earlier stages to be bought out, Netflix, by Blockbuster. However, Blockbuster were declined it. All right, Blockbuster were doing an old model, yet the market was evolving and the market literally just destroyed them. And so I'm here to tell you, you've got to learn from the greats. You've got to learn from Toys R Us. Toys R Us, if you don't know, Toys R Us was a massive, global brand that got destroyed by Amazon because they couldn't do just simple partnering, right? Toys R Us were trying to hold all the toys and restrict Amazon's ability to share some of the products that Toys R Us had. And what happens is that Toys R Us ended up taking Amazon to court. And what happens when you take Amazon to court, right? Amazon pay the fine, and then they will destroy you. They will crush you. If you ever in the UK, maybe wherever you are in the world, you've got an Amazon distribution unit there as well. Up on the M1, which is the main motorway in London, right outside of London, you drive past Amazon, right? As you drive past, you look to your right and at 80 miles an hour, and then half an hour later, you look right again and you're still freaking there. Amazon is that big, okay? It is that big, so you don't want to go to war with them. How can you use this? All right, stay coachable. Listen to the market, listen to your clients, listen to what they're saying, go into groups and listen to those interactions. Market, go and market in other people's groups and listen to what people are saying. Listen to the market, right? If you are struggling to start a business right now, go into the market, listen to what they are saying around the problems that they are having. Businesses problem solution. If you can supply a problem to someone's solution, bang, you've got a value exchange. If there's no value exchange, there's no business. All right. That being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right. Comment below. Let me know what sort of videos you like to watch, and I'll look forward to making them for you. All right. No matter what happens, never give up on your dreams, and I'll see you on the next video.